Friday McCoy.
He's checked in. End of the first corner, Flegel up to the, he started second. A little bit of contact there. Ty Little jumping up to the 2. Jason in the 3, Randy and Bob together there. They're back going in 5th and 6th.
It's not really together anymore.
Everything going on in that first lap. Chris has got a nice solid lead to start off here. It's going to be Jason Moser in the 2. He gets it wrong, but he's back rolling. Bob Flegel back to the 2. Ty Little's going to take the 3, Randy 4, Ryan 5, Jason 6, and here comes Coop. He's kept it nice and clean on the start.
Probably the best main I've ever raced. And I didn't get shaky, that was the key. Right at the end was the only time I got off the last 2 laps, because then I had 2 seconds before setting the lap. I couldn't relax at all. I had to do that.
Ryan and Ty together. Chris is going to get caught up slightly. Bob just did the fastest lap of this race, an 11.4. Bob bringing the gap between him and our leader down to 3 seconds. Chris is the white and red on the straightaway. Bob, the white with flames right behind them. They got Ty and Ryan. That's second place right behind you, Ty. Thank you. Jason's going to get it wrong. That's going to give Ryan the number 4 position. Ryan Jason going at it right there with second place, Bob Flegel. Closing in. Randy just did his best lap in 11.6 from the number 3 spot. Well, Ryan's going to catch the fight. Jason Moser is going to retake the number 4 position. 2 minutes down, 6 to go. Chris Cooper's got 3.5 seconds over Bob Flegel. The last couple laps, that gap's pretty much stayed the same. He's got 4 seconds back to Randy Bush, with Jason 11 back at him. Ryan's 2 seconds back at Jason, and Ty is 2 seconds back at Ryan. Cooper by the line with an 11.8. Flegel in 11.7. Just like that race, last race there, it's probably going to come down to who's going to make one less mistake. Cooper was a little bit faster that time by, end of the straightaway. We got a lot of trucks together. One quit the pipe and the rest just piled in. Chris is going to get caught up there. Ryan and Ty, the leaders are coming up behind you here. Chris Cooper, the white and red, Bob Flegel right behind him. Leaders coming up to the back of Ty and Randy. We got hit that halfway point. Close battle for the top spot. Thank you, Ty. Ty and Ryan going at it for 5th. Jason's almost got a lap on there. Bob got sideways into the corner there, lost him some time. Cooper by the line in 11.7. 2.5 back of him is Bob Flegel. Third place, Randy is about to be lapped by Chris Cooper. Jason, who currently holds 4th, Jason is 4 seconds back of Randy. Both Ryan and Jason get it wrong there.
Watching the doubles.
3 minutes to go. This is race 14. Race 15 is up next. That's going to be your Tool Drive Modified Buggy A main. Okay, in this one we got Chris Cooper still up front. He's the white and red down the straightaway. He's opened up a little bit more of a gap now over Bob Flegel. Third place, Randy Bush is right in front of Bob. He's looking to put him an extra lap down to him though. Jason in the 4, he's 10 seconds back of Randy. Ty in the 5, 6 seconds back at Jason. And then it's Ryan in the 6th. He's 5 seconds back to tie. 2 minutes to go. Chris is going to clip the pipe. He got stuck on there. That'll lose him some ground. We'll have to see what the gap is next time, or 4.2 seconds between Chris Cooper and Bob Flegel. 12-1 for Cooper that time by 12-3 for Bob. Bob was on the side of the pipe for a second. They got 4th place Jason right in the middle of there. Bob tracked a little bit faster than Chris. Thank you, Jason, for giving him some room. Got a close battle brewing for 5th now, actually. Ty's going to roll it over. That gives Ryan 5th. Chris to the line, 12.6. 12.2 for Bob. The gap is down to 3.8 seconds. Less than a minute to go.
45 seconds
Randy's
left.
still a lap back of this lead battle. Jason about a lap back of him, so Randy's comfortably in the 3rd position. Jason's got a solid gap over Ryan and Ty right now. 30 seconds to go. Chris hits the line at 12.2. Flegel goes 7 tenths of a second faster, bringing the gap down to 3.6. 20 seconds on the clock.
15 seconds left.
Chris hits the line, he'll go by for one more. If Flegel makes a mistake, he might not make it, but he should make it. That's going to be your tone. Once you cross,
Randy
you will be
Bushman.
finished.
Type Little done. Jason Moser done. Chris Cooper done. Rod McKay done.